Welcome back to my page. Today's Women's History Moment is on Rebecca Lee Crumpler. Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler, 1831 to 1895, made history as the first African American woman to earn a medical degree in the United States. At a time when Black women faced immense racial and gender discrimination, her achievements in medicine broke barriers and paved the way for future generations. Her contributions to public health, particularly for women and formerly enslaved people, cemented her legacy as a pioneer in both medical history and women's empowerment. Born in Delaware and raised in Pennsylvania by an aunt who frequently cared for sick neighbors, Crumpler was inspired to pursue medicine from an early age. In 1852, she moved to Charlestown, Massachusetts, where she worked as a nurse for nearly a decade before applying to medical school. Despite widespread exclusion of women, especially Black women, from medical education, she was admitted to the New England Female Medical College, later absorbed by Boston University. In 1864, she earned her MD, becoming the first Black female physician in the United States. After graduating, Crumpler practiced in Boston before relocating to Richmond, Virginia, after the Civil War. There, she worked with the Freedmen's Bureau and other Black doctors to provide medical care to formerly enslaved people who had little access to health care. Facing intense racism and sexism, including physicians refusing to recognize her credentials, she persisted in her mission to serve marginalized communities. Upon returning to Boston, she focused on treating women and children, often providing free care to low-income families. In 1883, she published a book of medical discourses, one of the first medical texts written by an African American. The book offered guidance on prenatal care, childhood illnesses, and general wellness, emphasizing preventative medicine, a progressive approach for her time. Crumpler's achievements were groundbreaking. First Black female physician in the U.S., her medical degree set a precedent for Black women in STEM, advocated for underserved communities, author and educator. Despite her historic accomplishments, Crumpler's contributions were nearly forgotten for decades. Today she's celebrated during Women's History and Black History Month.